this is Neha from Innisfree and we have Zoya, our skin expert.
Hi guys, we are here to bust some myths around retinol.
There's so much right and wrong information about retinol out there that some people are very hesitant to use it, and these myths are so convincing that a lot of people are not sure if they want to use retinol, even if they want, even if they really want to use it, but they're not sure if they should be using it or not. So we kind of tend to avoid it sometimes. Let's bust some myths around retinol.
Let's get it out.
Myth number 1. All kinds of retinol is the same.
Well, it all depends on the concentration and formulation. It can come into the higher to lower percentage and with supportive ingredients. And it also targets the most popular concerns like acne and your aging skin concern. And there are many skin concerns that retinol can target.
Myth number 2. Retinol is only used for anti-aging.
No. Retinol, being a potent ingredient, has a numerous skincare benefits. It does not only target your skin aging, has a different skin concern benefit as well, such as your wrinkles, pigmentation, acne or breakouts. It actually helps in boosting the skin regeneration power that actually leads to your skin a firmer, clear and healthy.
Myth number 3. Retinol exfoliates the skin.
Well, it's a very popular misconception around the retinol that it exfoliates the skin, but it does not exfoliate your skin like AHA and BHA. It does not have any ability to dissolve the glue between the dead skin cells. It's a very potent antioxidant ingredient that helps to target the multiple aspects of your skin and leading a very clear, firmer and vibrant looking skin. In case if your skin is flaking out after using the retinol, that means your skin retinol is higher in percentage and potent in concentration. So make sure you're starting the retinol with the lower concentration, like how Innisfree has launched this Retinol Cica Repair Ampoule that comes with a Cica-Liposomlogy technology, a blend of Cica, Centella Asiatica and Hyaluronic acid that actually keeps your skin looking more glowy and helps in targeting all the multiple complex skin trouble.
Myth number 4. Retinol burns your skin if worn in the day.
Again, it all depends on the concentration, formulation and how you're layering in and applying it. Retinol can definitely be more sensitive to a direct sunlight and UV rays, and if it's worn during the daytime without a sunscreen, it is going to definitely burn out the skin or lead to a burning sensation as well. No matter what the formula or what the concentration is, retinol should be paired with the
Number 5. Retinol dehydrates your skin, but is it a myth or is it a fact?
It is a definitely fact, because most of the retinol comes with a higher concentration formula that speed up your skin cells turnover cycle and can lead to a dehydration and dryness. But there is a way to give a hydration to your skin, like how I love to use and pair this together, green tea serum along with the Retinol Cica Repair Ampoule. These two together helps in keeping your moisture intact and hydrate your skin as well. And also the retinol here, it comes with the 0.015% formula that is a very low concentration formula to keep the skin more healthier, brighter and clear. Thanks for watching. If you like this video,
like and subscribe in Innisfree India for more such informative videos.